Welcome back to ImagineBizAI. This is Module 6, AI for Social Media Content Creation. If you are spending hours every week creating and uploading social media content, this module is for you. Let's get into it. Here is the reality for most small business owners. A vertical response survey found that 43% of small business owners spend 6 or more hours every week on social media marketing. 56% struggle to post consistently, and the average cost of hiring a social media manager is high. And here is the good news. 83% of marketers say AI helps them produce significantly more content. The tools are here. Let's use them. In this module, we are working with 4 tools. ChatGPT, for writing captions and building your content calendar. Free plan available. Canva AI, for designing and resizing visuals. Free plan available. Magic Resize requires Canva Pro. Buffer, for scheduling posts automatically. Free plan. 3 channels, no credit card needed. And Metricool, for tracking what is actually working. Free plan includes 1 brand and 20 posts per month. You can start with all 4 today. Let's walk through each workflow. Workflow 1. Building your monthly content calendar with ChatGPT. Before AI, content creation was multiple steps manually, without a streamlined process and needed weekly planning. Here is how you change that. Open ChatGPT. Type this prompt. Give me 20 social media post ideas and captions for your business type targeting your audience. ChatGPT will give you 20 ideas of potential photos/posts with captions in under 2 minutes. Pick your best 12 to 16. Ask ChatGPT to write full captions for each one. Then copy them into a simple Google Sheet as your content calendar. You have just planned an entire month of content in under 15 minutes. That replaces 2 to 3 hours of weekly effort. Workflow 2. Designing and resizing your visuals with Canva AI. Before AI, you design one image, then spend an hour manually creating different sizes for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Stories. Inconsistent branding. Wasted time. With Canva, here is what happens instead. Go to canva.com, sign up free. Search for a social media template that fits your brand. Next, use Magic Write, Canva's built-in AI, to generate caption text directly inside your design. Now here is the powerful part. On Canva Pro, $15 per month, click Resize and Magic Switch. Select every platform: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Stories. Canva generates all sizes, instantly. What used to take 1 hour takes 30 seconds. Import the artifacts directly to Buffer to schedule. That is a complete workflow, from blank canvas to scheduled posts, in under 20 minutes. Workflow 3. Scheduling a full week of posts in 20 minutes with Buffer. Before AI, you manually log into Facebook, then Instagram, then LinkedIn. Post at random times, forget some days entirely, and have no idea what is coming next. Buffer solves all of this. Go to buffer.com and sign up free. Connect up to 3 channels: Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, at no cost. Paste your ChatGPT captions into Buffer's Post Composer. Upload the Canva visuals you already created. Use Buffer's built-in AI assistant to tweak tone or adjust length if needed. Set your posting schedule. Buffer recommends the best times based on your audience. Buffer posts for you automatically. Every day. All week. Your action step for this week is simple. Set up one tool. Start with ChatGPT. Go to chat.openai.com right now and type your first content prompt. You will have a week of post ideas before you finish this video. If you found this module valuable, please subscribe to the channel. We publish a new deep dive training every week. Follow us at ImagineBizAI on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram for daily tips. And if you have questions, email us at info@ImagineBizAI.com.